DNR stands for the Department of Environment and Natural Resources.
The department is the primary agency responsible for the conservation, management, development, and proper use of the country's environment and natural resources, specifically forest and grazing lands, mineral resources, including those in reservation and watershed areas, and lands of the public domain, as well as the.
Ito po yung chart ng DNR. What is the main purpose of DNR? The department is the primary agency responsible for the conservation, management, development, and proper use of the country, environment, and natural resources, specifically forests and grazing lands, mineral resources, including those in reservation and watershed areas, and lands of the public domain, as well as the five major programs of the NR. So the one is environmental management, na kung saan ay nangangalaga sa ating environment. And two is mines and geosciences. So ito yung sa minings, na kung saan kagaya ng Sanara, yung mga mining. And the three is forest management. So ito yung sa forest management, na kung saan ay pinagbabawal din nila pagpuputol ng mga puno. And the four is biodiversity management. So ito na ngayon sa biodiversity. So kagaya sa sa dagat, bawal ka magtapon ng mga basura. So bali ang ginagawa silang program kagaya ng coastal cleanup. And the five is land management. So ito yun sa land. So yun na nga, mga paghukay, mga bawal gawin, kagaya ng pag-minings, pagputol ng puno, pagtapon ng mga basura kung saan. So bali sila yung nag-ano ng kaso mo. Bali sila yung magbibigay ng kaso. What is the meaning and function of the DNR? So the DNR is the Department of Environment and Natural Resources, or DENR. So the responsible for the conservation, management, and development of the country, environment, and natural resources. So it shall ensure the proper use of these resources and the protection of the environment within the framework of sustainable development. So what is the main goal of DNR? So the DNR is responsible for the conservation, management, and development of the country, environment, and natural resources. So ang pinaka main goal nila dito ay para mapadevelop yung ating bansa. So sila yung nangangalaga sa ating kapaligiran, kagaya ng forest, sea, and land. So sila po yung nagbabantay at nag-protection ng ating kagubatan, dagat. Sila po yan. So